Hi guys, in the world where beauty trends come and go like fleeting fads, another classic example is Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. So in this review, we take a look at the incredible, versatile and lasting beauty of Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. But this one has also increased its price now. You get 20 gram of this pack for rupees 50 and the shelf life is 3 years. And it comes in its iconic packaging, white and blue jar, simple and sweet. Coming to the texture, it has a rich texture, consistency is pretty thick, velvety that glides effortlessly into the skin. It is made up of 100% petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly is a blend of mineral oils and waxes. Vaseline is odorless. Unless you stick your nose in the jar, you can smell a little bit of mineral oil. So you can use this on your face, lips, body to keep the skin hydrated throughout the day. And if you are dealing with chapped lips, dry pores, rough corners, cracked heels, a swipe of this jelly provide instant relief and long-lasting moisture. So Vaseline is truly a multifunctional jelly with good result, but I don't use it on my face. It feels a little heavy. Coming to the negatives, there is only one thing that Vaseline may not be desirable for oily skin people. Reason is simple, you may feel that it is heavy. Overall, Vaseline has built the trust of so many years and it's all worth it. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.